Hello, good morning. Happy Sunday, folks. Today, very late hour. Brunch. We're having our family brunch at the Blackford, the World of Singapore. August 23, 2026. Happy Sunday, folks. Yesterday, we went to the church already. We visit our Eason church there. We used to live there before. When we haven't. We sold our house already, so at least once a year we visit. So today we are going church. Just listen, we want to watch Rally speech, okay? Here in Singapore, Leslie Simpoy with the signature of Alvin Company. 74 years old Singaporean retired. Okay, we're having our family brunch at the Blackford, the World of Singapore, August 23, 2026. My son living child Alfonso Steven. Here's my son Shay. Okay, having a big red here. Okay, want to cut already. Enjoy at the Blackford, the World of Singapore. We're having a chicken fillet, fried chicken fillet with spaghetti and loaf. Okay, enjoy at the Blackford, the World of Singapore.